everyone. We had a couple questions about pricing, so I just wanted to go over this real quick. This is something that Josh calls out in the proposal and research video. I believe it's in step 4 or step 5 of the 6 steps. But I just wanted to call attention to it in case maybe you forgot about it or you didn't quite understand. So for the website pricing, Josh says he charges $350 for the design of just the home page. Okay. Any additional pages, he charges $125 for design. So your service pages, each one will be $125 per page. Okay. Plus your about us, your contact us, any other page will be an additional $125 per page. The content. You want to figure out how many words need to be written for the entire website and multiply that by 0.16. Okay, the reason being is that if we get our content from Text Emporium, that's about 8 cents per word. If we charge 16 cents per word, that'll double our cost, right? So there will be a little bit of profit on content as well. This is the pricing for a website design. It's super easy here. Feel free to adjust a little bit if need be, but this is what I work off of. You want to make sure that you're able to cover your costs. Now I want to touch on SEO and also outsourcing for a minute here. If you go to the BAM store, you can see all of their pricing. So if you go to a client website here, you'll be able to see what he charges. So we can see that it's $8.99 per client website, all right? So you want to make sure that you're charging either double that or triple that to make sure that you're making a profit, to make sure that that website is worthwhile for you. If we instead go to managed SEO, we can see monthly SEO. And this is for if they do the SEO for you, all right? So they're pretty much taking over the entire SEO. If you want to know which one of these you need, go ahead, go to Facebook and find Bam Shoppy and send him a message. Be very clear and specific. So send him over which keywords you're trying to rank for and the keyword difficulties attached to them, and ask him which one of these would work for you. All right, super easy. Then you'll just want to upcharge a little bit. So if he says you need the standard $8.95, you're obviously going to need to charge more than that since your cost will be $8.95. Okay, so it's super easy. Don't overthink this stuff. If you did decide that you wanted to do their GMB, you can come in here and get the GMB optimization. This will help you with the pricing for that. And so I will show him again, listen, these are the keywords I'm trying to rank for. These are the KDs. This is the GMB. Which one of these do you think I will need? Okay. Again, this is your cost. So just figure out which one of those he recommends and then upcharge so you will actually make a profit. Same thing with citations or anything you need, guys. This is going to be your cost, okay? So just make sure you either double or triple the price so that you will make a profit. And that's really it. That's really everything I wanted to go over here. That's how I price out a website. That's how I do web design. That's how I do the SEO. When you start to get into doing it yourself, it'll be a little bit more complicated, but for the time being that you're in SOSA, just outsource this, just have Bam Shoppy do it for you so you can focus entirely on sales. Once you have some sales under your belt and you're comfortable, you can look at other options if you ever decided to. But just stick with the Bam store for now so you can focus on sales. I hope that helps you guys, and take care.